Hey guys, Steph in the shop here. What's going on? It's probably been a minute. Couple updates. That for one, we got a nice heat source in here, so we don't have to burn wood. Well, we still will because wood fire is nice. And second thing, the shop is a fucking disaster. Why? Because we're cleaning. And of course, I had to click the off button. Got my lowering spindles in. I've got some tubing to do the 4-link bars. Okay, now quick question. This is what I'm thinking of doing, is putting one bar at the bottom here, nice and straight, triangulate the top here from the center outwards. Center outwards. I don't know. It's that, or I just do a parallel 4-link and then do a fancy gizmo gadget for lining up the center of the diff. I don't know. What do you guys think? I still got lots of work to do, but yeah. Well, another productive night in the shop. I'm getting pretty tired. It may not look like it. There's still shit laying around, but I got that other half of the wall painted. I ain't gonna touch the rest of it until we completely clear that off, but that probably won't be for a little while. Same with this side. Clear everything off the wall there. It's painted all the way up to that racking. Well, it's the end of an era. Pops' old truck is no more. He's back there. Putting her on the truck. On the trailer. Riley.
Maybe I don't like my truck.
I don't know, will you?
I don't know.
You tell the YouTubers.
No, I don't want to tell them.
Yeah, you're telling them right now.
No.
Yeah. So you want to do a Friends Rides edition?
No.
What do you got here, Paul? Fur? Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I still care. I promise. I'm in here making Christmas presents. It's gonna be sweet. It's for Abby's sister, and I know Abby's sister doesn't watch my channel, so I'll be able to put this out tomorrow, which tomorrow is Christmas Eve. So far, this is what I got going on. I spent 3 hours making that last night. They say handmade stuff. Yeah. I know why it's expensive. It's because it's expensive. So anyways, I'm gonna do some of that tonight. I hope you guys are all having a good time and not missing videos too much at this end because of Slacker McGee and his terrible phone settings that ruined a bunch of videos that I could have made. Anyways, whatever. So yeah. So I'll get started on some stuff and I'll help you guys out. All right, well I've got my first piece ready for paint. Now, the idea behind it is to make it all like old and like old ass, as all old hell. Steph was playing Mr. Blacksmith. Ooh. Not too bad. We'll see how it turns out. So for now, I'm gonna shoot some paint on here. Oh God. I've got this like Rust-Oleum. I don't know. Antique brass. Let's see what she looks like. Just fog it real quick. Supposed to be good for everything. it's got primer and paint in one, so. Sorry about the angle, boys, and maybe girls. Yeah. Yeah. Now I might once that dries, shoot it with a little bit of black and then dab it off. And that'll probably leave the darkness in the cracks, making it look old and weathered. That's my idea, at least. Let's see how this thing turns out. So that right there is all painted. That's the other thing. So basically, that will be suspended in the center of that by chains. Well, I know I didn't film much. This is basically it done. Oh God. Come on, like tell me that's not cool. That's super cool.